It's a great day for painting. Couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm working with a 12 by 12 canvas that I painted black, and I ended up putting some texture on it. And then I just did like a wash. I used pink, yellow, and green, but it came out just like that. And I'm going to use today a new colander that I bought that hopefully will make the interesting design in the middle that some people have been doing. The colors that I'm using today are Artist Loft Yellow, Artist Loft White, Master's Touch Light Magenta, Artist Loft Cobalt Blue, Deco Art Dioxazine Purple, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, and Apple Barrel Laguna. Alright, let's get this going.
Okay, Judy.
Wish me good luck, Johnny boy.
Good luck, girl.
Thank you. I did not use any silicone.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll see.
See lots of blue and green coming out the sides.
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted? That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
I thought so.
We can say that. Looks like a little snake head right there. Ooh, big bubble pop there.
It is, oh yeah. Cool. Cool bubbles. Bubbles?
Oh, no. We're not going there today.
Oh, jeez.
Cool.
Got a lot more paint to pour? Looks like you need a lot more paint covered on it. Or is that?
I poured it all. It was 5. Well, I still have some more in here, but. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It's Sunday. It's sunny out.
Yeah, nice and warm. Beautiful day. Bluebird day.
Oh no, it doesn't seem to be moving too much.
It's not moving, huh?
Not moving and a grooving. Looks like it's in the same spot it was in before. Come on, baby.
Whoa,
Here, got a lot of.
whoa, go.
John, what are you working on over there?
I'm working on this,
Cool.
which is just a
Background?
background for something
Oh,
that
cool.
I'm going to try later on. I'm going to set it outside, let it dry in the sunshine.
You just have to be careful because those are new towels and they got lint on them. I don't know, guys. This doesn't seem to be emptying at all.
Warm up there today.
Yeah, huh?
What is it today? Today's 84 degrees. It's
I don't know, Johnny boy.
28th. I don't know either, dear.
Wonder if I use
You gotta-
something like
do you have
this.
to pick it up and pour it out? Is that what you have to do? You have to move it now?
I don't know. I want to see what it comes out to be like. Because if it's, I might just let it dry if it looks like a flower and then do the sides another day.
You're gonna have to unfortunately lift it up sooner or later.
I know. But I'm wondering if I lift it up a tiny bit now, if it'll generate if it'll make the stuff, yeah.
I don't know. You won't know till you do it. You gotta get it out of there quick, right?
I'm not doing it yet. I'm
Oh.
trying to. Well, I guess I should do it. It's taking too long, huh?
What happens if you twist it? You gotta
I
Twist
don't
it.
know. Hold on a second.
hold on a second.
I'll take it off and put it in here. Because there's quite a bit of paint still there. Ready?
Good luck.
Thank you. 1, 2.
There you go.
Does make interesting design there. Look at all those things. Quite weird. I'm not impressed. How about you?
Well, when you tilt it and maybe pull it out to the edges, it'll be fine. Maybe, or maybe not. You're gonna have to do it before it.
Give it a shot, I guess, right?
Yeah, you must go to each corner and see what happens. Yeah. I think that's good. Yeah, go back to the other corner now and see. Get the pinky back to the middle. Oh yeah, look at the little bit of pink out nice. Gotta lift this side up just a tiny bit. There you go. Oh, maybe we got a colored football. Too bad they didn't have
Looks
the
like
Miami
these-
Dolphin colors.
Ah,
the Miami Dolphin
yeah.
football.
No, thank you.
There you gotta get back to the middle again. It's kind of interesting.
Looks like an egg.
Yes, it does.
Out of practice of being near the camera. Moving faster than.
Normal. Should have our edge catcher.
Oh, yeah, I gotta remember that next time. Interesting colors.
Mm-hmm. Looks like a pink diamond in here.
Oh, I guess what I can do is what I said I was going to do one of these times is I can use the Rain-X. Put some, see if it does anything.
Mm-hmm. You gotta get over this side right here.
Oh, I got enough to touch everything up.
Try to maybe get your pink back in the middle again. Get this part here down.
Yeah.
So it's even on this side, even on that side, even on that side, somehow. Even Steven. Want to torch it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me wipe my hands off a little bit. Interesting colors. I like the colors, but who knows what they're going to dry like. See any bubbles or not. I was gonna try some of the Rain-X with the pipette. See if it does anything.
Okay. Try it. The only thing I'm thinking about is you have no base color, so you're just going to get a hole of color.
What do you mean?
I mean, you didn't put down any white, did you? You didn't put down any black.
I put white down.
So what you do is, when you put the stuff on there, is you take the top color away and at least show the bottom color.
Oh.
So the only thing I'm thinking you're going to see it with that is if it comes up at all, it's black or the same color you're putting down there.
It made things right here. Look at all those.
Did it do that?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. And what are you listening to me for?
You think I listen to you, but I don't.
Oh, I kind of figured it. I figured as much. Well, you don't have to worry about water sticking to it now because it's Rain-X, right? Water run right off of it.
see, it did this. Here.
I see what it did.
Didn't do what it was supposed to do as far as the colander, but I don't know. Looks kind of interesting, doesn't it? No?
Yeah. Interesting. I like on these little swirls here. Will it do anything with them? Ooh.
Kind of pretty colors. It stays like that, but
Very nice. See?
cool. Okay, guys. I'm gonna let this go, see what happens with it.
We'll show a dry picture when it's done.
Yeah. Yeah, guess that's it for today. Let me just look at this and see what happened here, if the design came out like it was supposed to. No. Alright, I don't know, maybe my paint was too thick. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I tried two new things that I hadn't done before. One was with the Rain-X and the other was with the colander that's supposed to make the gem-like things, but I'll have to check out some more videos and see what people did differently than what I did. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up? Not in yet?
No.
Thumbs up. All right, you do it.
Oh, I have a blue thumb. Look at that.
Subscribe to our channel and bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching, and please be kind to one another and enjoy each and every day. Peace.
Peace.